Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing some great tips and insights on purchasing seedlings and starter plants for your garden. So please stay tuned.
Okay. Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Uriah, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about buying seedlings. I got a text message early today. They said, "Hey, Uriah, I want to buy some plants for my garden. What should I buy?" So I just want to say that your big box stores, your hardware stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, even Walmart has a variety of plant. Mostly these guys have a garden section where you can purchase seedlings, seeds, and other supplies, right? So what you want to do, you want to purchase 6 packs if you can. Do not buy your bigger plants at these places because what happens is these guys become root bound and they become woody, and the root boundness could also go right into your garden. When you try to plant these plants into your yard, they will continue to be root bound and not be as prosperous and thrive as well as you would like them to. Okay.